Hello, my butterfly beauties, and welcome. If you are new, my name is Charlen, and on this channel, we discuss everything beauty, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if you like my style, why don't you subscribe and you stay a while? In today's video, we are doing a haul of the new Tropics. My store has already put up the display of the items inside the store. So I share a little clip with you right now of what I saw in store so far for this Tropics collection. They have that Viva Brazil. They got the Dreaming in Rio. They got some other tropical like candles and scents and everything. So I'll drop that next and then we'll come back and discuss what did I pick up from this collection. All right, so as you can see, they got all the things on this display, and you know your girl loves her Tropics. So this was very intriguing to me when I saw people teasing it, saying they store had it already or whatever. I'm like, when is my store going to get it? Well, they put it out already in my store, and they did have it in the full sizes. Mine did not have the minis, which I was super excited to see. I was able to put my hands on the full-size mist, and they had the body butters and everything else in there, so I was able to get my body butters during this $5.95 sale, so I was super excited about that. I'll share the other items I picked up during the $5.95 sale in another video. I want this video to focus on the Tropics collection that they dropped at Bath and Body Works. So let's start off first with Viva Brazil. So Live Brazil. So Viva Brazil looks like this. It's definitely giving you the Tropics vibe. And on the back, they gave a little story here, a little bit about the fragrance. I'm going to share that with you. It says, this fragrance bottles Brazil's zest for life. A single spirit and you're lost in cobblestone streets, perfumed with exotic tropical fruits. This is Viva Brazil. So it says the fragrance notes are fresh guava, maracuja zest, which is passion fruit, and coconut water. I already put this on my skin as soon as I put them in. This is the next day. So I picked these up yesterday. I already put them on my skin, did a little wear test on both of these. And when I tell you this here, this is a good one, you guys. This is such a good one. The guava in here and the passion fruit blend in here is superb. You have to love a good tropical scent. So like it says, you smell, you walking down those cobblestone streets, you smelling all the tropical fruits, especially the guava and the passion fruit in here. This is giving you straight up juicy guava with some passion fruit. The guava and passion fruit is so strong in here. They're like well blended together that I am not getting any of the coconut, but it says coconut water, so I'm not expecting it to be a strong coconut scent. What it is a nice juicy guava and passion fruit scent, a nice blend. So it's the actual passion fruit, not passion flower, which you know is something I can go hit or miss with, but the passion fruit I know I love. And this is gorgeous. This is so good. And I told you guys I also picked up the body butter. So this is the body butter of this one as well. That's how it looks. But the body butter, of course, has the same scents in here. And first I sprayed my arm with the actual mist. And then I put the butter on my hand so I can smell the butter, and the butter is giving the same scent, just in a lighter version. But then when I put the spray on top of this as well, it was so good. So this is going to be a great combination, layering these two together, because I love their butters. I did not get the cream. When I saw body butter, I'm like, that's what I'm going for, is all the body butters. So I got more than one of these, of course, especially for that $5.95 sale. But like I said, I'll share that with you guys in that haul. But this Viva Brazil is a 10 out of 10 for me. I can't attest to longevity or anything like that right now. It did last on my skin for a few, like 2 or 3 hours. So I did get to smell it for that long. But I can't attest for how long will it last. But I don't expect my mints to last all day long. I do expect them to last a couple hours, which that did give. So that is a love for me. Definitely a love for me. The other one is Dreaming in Rio. So Dreaming in Rio was the one I was super excited about because of the banana. So Dreaming of Rio says, illuminating the heart of Rio. This fragrance captures the dreamy escape of a sunlit beach with the sweet aroma of lush banana palms. So keep that in your mind, banana palms. Dancing in the air. This is Dreaming of Rio. So it has fragrance notes of golden banana, gardenia petals, and sunlit cedarwood. And you guys, I sprayed these tops yesterday and they are still like I just sprayed them. I'm going to spray it again, but these. So this is another one. This isn't your Laffy Taffy banana. This is your nice, fresh, sweet banana. This is just your nice, sweet banana, not the candied banana, not a green banana. So like it says, the banana palms, think of the banana hanging up in a tree and they're ripening in a tree, and you get that nice sweet aroma of the ripened bananas. Not too ripe. We're talking about still good. That's what this is. This is that nice sweet aroma of a natural banana hanging up in a tree. If you done been around that aroma, you know what I'm talking about. That is what this is. This is true to the name of banana palms. The banana is nice and ripe and sweet. You could tell, you can smell the flavor coming from the tree of the banana. And then it's just mixed with gardenia. And that's not the gardenia that can be screechy to some, that can be overpowering to some. This is just giving a nice, delicate floral aspect in the background, but I'm still mostly smelling the banana scent. And the cedarwood in here just helps to ground it. Again, not doing too much, just enough to keep the banana at play. And this here, the actual butter itself, the actual butter itself is giving the same. So when I layered these two, same thing I did. I sprayed this all over my arm. And then I put this just on my hand at first, just to see what it was giving. It was giving similar vibes to the mist, and then I sprayed the mist on top of this, and it's a beautiful combination. I can see these layering with so many things. I can see them layering with so many things. So that new Marc Jacobs banana perfume, I am wanting so bad. And I know this is going to go good with that one. And I know the other one that I saw, I can't remember if it was the one in the pink bottle or whatever it is, because I want all of them. I mostly want the banana one, but I want all of them. This, I know it's going to layer good with that too. So to me, what do I think of this Tropics collection? I love it. And what else did I pick up from this collection? Because they also had like the hand sanitizers and the other different things that was there. But then they had candles like $14.95 or the single wicks. They have them on sale as well. So I did get Viva Brazil. I did get this one in the candle form. And I just got it in the single wick for now, because I know I'm going to love this. It's so good. And that candle smells just like that mist right off the top. Now, Dreaming in Rio did not have a candle, but right beside it advertised was this coconut pina colada. Now, when I tell you this smells so good, and I'm like, why didn't y'all put this in the mist also? But this is another one. So Viva Brazil, of course, had the same notes as the body care. But this one, this coconut pina colada, has coconut milk, blended pineapple, and a splash of rum. And this is another one. It smells delicious, and I know it's going to burn very good. Yeah, it's giving you the coconut. It's giving you, like it says, it's giving you the pina colada vibe. So I love that. So end up getting these two candles as well as part of the Tropics collection, you guys. And I know I'm going to love them. So that is my thoughts. I do recommend these. If you are, if you love the tropical scents, if you want a juicy guava passion fruit blend, or if you want a true to life sweet banana scent, then you're going to love these. You're going to love both of these. You're going to love both of these. If you love a nice juicy guava passion fruit, if you love a nice sweet, not candied, sweet banana scent, you're going to love these. And you're going to love the body butters as well. Like I said, I can attest to the body creams. Did not pick those up. Was not interested in those, especially when I saw the body butters. That is my go-to at Bath and Body Works. If they got it in the butter, I'm going to get it in the butter over a cream or in a lotion any day. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.